Hello and welcome back to my channel DGA Tech. My name is Godwin and I want to unveil to you an app that can pay you 500 naira every 5 minutes. It's a simple method. Anybody can do it. You don't need an expertise skills or a training or whatever to do it. It's just a simple step you're going to follow to be able to do it. So before we start this video, I want you to like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, YouTube is going to notify you and you'll be the first person to watch it. Basically what I do here is I create videos on how to make money online. As you can see, this is my description. If you check my videos, you see I have many videos talking about ways on how to make money online. You can even how to use the Binance application to buy dollar, send dollar, to transfer dollar, how to open a Binance account. You can go through this and see the useful ones that you're going to use. All these videos are very helpful. So let's go into the application now. The application name is Palmpay. This is the application, Palmpay. I'll drop the link for you to get this particular one that you'll be earning 500 naira every minute, 5 minutes. I'm going to drop the link in the description below. So you will use it to register, to create an account. Then you follow the process I'm going to be showing you so that you'll be able to make the money I'm making. Okay. So if you want to start this, once you've created your account and you log in successfully, you scroll down and click refer and earn. It's going to open up refer and earn. Then what you're going to be doing is you click on this share to invite, click on it, then you copy the link. You say copy successful, so you've successfully copied the link. So what you're going to be doing is you send it to your friend. You send it to your friend to sign up on Palmpay. If one of your friends sign up on Palmpay, Palmpay is going to give you 500 naira cash. They will send it into your account. This place here, this place balance, you see that it will come into your account. But first of all, the person has to register using your link. Once the person registers, Palmpay is going to give the person 100 naira airtime. So what the person is going to do is that the person is going to recharge that airtime. Once the person recharges the airtime, Palmpay will now pay you 500 naira. And when the Palmpay pays you 500 naira, you will see it here. When you see it here, you now withdraw it into your normal wallet, which is this place, your balance. Once you withdraw it to your normal wallet, then you can transfer it to your bank account. So that's just it. You copy your link, you send it to your friends. You have friends on WhatsApp, friends on Facebook and Twitter. If it's 10 friends, you're making 5,000 naira. One friend 500, it depends. 20 friends, you're getting 10,000 naira. So this is just easy, and it's not stopping anytime soon. It's not closing. They're not closing anything. The bonus, you continue getting your 500 naira per referral. As you can see, look at some of the ones I've done, because I'm not that regular. I don't do it that much, but I did some. As you can see, you see this 500, 500, 500. Okay, this one there that is showing failed. The person didn't use his name, his real name. That's why they didn't pay me. So if you're sending it to your friend, tell your friend to use his or her real name to register, so that they will send you your money. So you tell your friend to use his valid name to register on this platform, so that you'll be able to receive your money. Then you withdraw it into your wallet, then transfer it to your bank account afterwards. So that's just it. If you like this video, I want you to comment below, or if you have any question, ask it in the comment section. I'm going to reply you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend it to other people that are looking for ways to make money online. Share this video to your friends and family members in order to help them out in making money online. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Just share this video, like this video, comment on it, and subscribe to my channel. And if you go to my channel, you see I still have more videos on making money online. As you can see, you can see them, different ways to make money online. You can come to my channel and watch all this and how to use Binance as well. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate. Thank you. Signing out now, DGA Tech.